Alright, you're tuned into Rockin' with the Rook. As always, these videos are brought to you by Advanced-Diagnostics USA. We are on a 2020 Explorer and we're going to try some alarm software. Bear with me, I'm going to do my best in this video. And just bear with me. I don't know if you'll hear me talk. The alarm is probably going to go crazy. So we'll see what happens. So I'm going to open the door. The alarm should go off. I'm going to open the hood. So we're going to go to add key. No. During the following next steps, you will be instructed to disconnect and reconnect the vehicle's battery. Please make sure the Smart Pro battery is above 30% or external power supply is connected. Please follow all the steps carefully. You will have a choice later in the process to erase or add keys. So my Smart Pro is charged. Disconnect the battery and leave it disconnected and then press OK. Alright, so battery is disconnected. Please connect the battery back to the car. In the background, the Smart Pro will attempt to gain access. Upon reconnecting, the alarm will either stay silent or continue to sound. Please repeat the process until the Smart Pro starts reading the BCM data. So we're going to reconnect it and the alarm is going to go off. Or maybe it's reading the data. The alarm did not reactivate it. Oh, there we go. Alarm OBD protection active. Leave the driver's door open. If the car has ultrasonics, do not disturb them as this will reset the timer. We're going to let this read and then we'll come back. Almost to the end of our wait here. It's about 10 minutes. Security access gained. Insert key into the programming slot. We have 3 keys programmed. Programming slot. There's a little slot in the armrest there. No. ...2020 Ford Explorer active alarm with the Advanced-Diagnostic Smart Pro.